Open any browser and type this URL. Enter your login details. Click on Login. Now you arrive to the dashboard. In the search bar, search for your own serial number. You should see your own machine info and the location. If you scroll down, you can see the operating hours. The time frame is set to 40 days. If you click on the graph on the right-hand side, you can see the total amount of operating hours in the time period. If you click on the calendar, you can set a custom time frame. Let's take this year, for example. Now you can see the hours in the whole year. If you click on the histogram icon, you can get more precise information about the machine. Here you can set the time frame to a relative or an absolute value. Let's take, for example, from June 2025 until May 2026. Click Apply twice. You can also select a daily, weekly, or a monthly preview. You can download the data in picture format, or you can also export it in Excel format. You can also set an other language in the account settings.